We're going to add Rich to our Blackboard site so he can pop in. Select your course. We're going to go to users and groups under users. From users, we're going to find users to enroll. And then we're going to browse. This will pop up. And then you would type the name here. I did this before for Rich, so he would be there. Click on go. This screen will pop. You select them. Submit. And then if you put Rich in as either instructor or even as a guest, he can pop in then and check out what's going on. And then if you search by last name, there he is, and he's there as a guest. Okay, that's just how to get someone's name into your class, and you'd have to do that for each of your classes. But please add Rich so that he can check in on your class. Okay.